Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can fully relax. Lie down or recline in a supported position, placing one hand on your heart and one on your lower belly. This is your time to soften, to listen inward, and to honor your body's natural rhythm. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Gently shift into a slow, rhythmic breath. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale slowly for a count of 6. Feel your body settle with each breath, releasing any tension, any expectations. Imagine your breath as a wave, gently moving in and out, soothing and restoring you with each cycle. With every inhale, draw in softness and ease. And with every exhale, release all that you no longer need. Let your body feel heavy, sinking into deep support. Now bring awareness to your womb space, the energetic and physical center of your body's wisdom. With each full breath, visualize a warm, soft glow filling your pelvis. Like a gentle red or golden light. This light holds the power of renewal and deep feminine wisdom. With every inhale, this warmth expands, nourishing your body, soothing any discomfort, softening any resistance. And with each exhale, imagine shedding not just physically, but emotionally, releasing tension, stress, or anything that no longer serves you. If it feels good, silently affirm to yourself, I surrender. I trust. my body's wisdom. I am held and supported. Take a moment to simply be. Repeating those affirmations to yourself, resting in stillness, and allowing your body to integrate and replenish. Slowly begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, reconnecting with the present moment. Place both hands over your womb or heart, offering yourself gratitude for this time of rest, for honoring your body's natural cycle. When you're ready, take one last deep, nourishing breath in and exhale with a sigh. Softly open your eyes, knowing you can return to this deep restoration anytime you need. Take a moment to notice how you feel right now. Maybe your breath is softer, your body a little more open, or maybe you touched a part of yourself that's been waiting for your attention. If this practice stirred something in you, a curiosity, a remembering, a readiness to go deeper, I'd love to invite you into Vaginal Alchemy Reloaded. This is my signature journey for women who are ready to not just tend to their pelvic space, but to alchemize their relationship with their pleasure, their body, and their power. Inside, we weave hands-on and hands-in pelvic body work with deep embodiment practices, intimate sisterhood, and pelvic wand tools to create lasting change. And right now, VIP applications are open for 3 months of one-on-one work with me. This is your most personal, transformative path to reclaiming your body's power. You can explore Vaginal Alchemy Reloaded and apply for the VIP pathway by clicking the link in the show notes. Trust your timing, but don't ignore your knowing. We'll see you in the next one.